Alo ka!
Money day.
Yes, nice to balay si Tata.
Kanina ko ay may sale. Kamu ni ko ang chef.
When the visions around you bring tears to your eyes, and all that surround you, even So this is the next time that we're performing tonight was
100.
during our that was a Christmas party, right? The moment I met you at the bar, you were totally wasted and you got naked. This was the song that was playing, so that it's late in the evening. She's wondering what clothes to wear. She puts on makeup, brushes her long blonde hair, and then she asks me, do I look alright? And I say yes, you look wonderful tonight. Exactly. Yeah, when I met you at the bar on a Christmas day. Go to a party, everyone turns to see this beautiful lady that's walking around with me, and then she asks, oh, do you feel alright? And I say yes, I feel wonderful tonight.
Hi kay David sa
I
Bantayan.
feel wonderful
Hi kay David.
because
See you sa
I
Bantayan.
see the light in your eyes. And the wonder of it all is that you
Fred-
just don't realize how much I love you.
Uy, hugas ko na.
Ano wala kiss? Pagpirito eh.
Ang kamot, day.
Kamu lagi.
Happy 10K followers
Ayo,
to the most beautiful Filipina I've ever met in the Philippines.
makapin. Ay, teka na. 10K
It's
followers.
time to go home now.
Si Aru, mo kanta.
And I got her naked. She did car keys. And she asked me to bed. And then I tell her, Coco Melanie Modeco, say my darling, you wonderful.
tonight. Oh my darling, you look wonderful tonight. Thank you very much
Hi sa
for
154
watching.
viewers. 154 viewers.
Thank you very much for watching the live celebration. 10K followers.
Thank you so much for viewers.
Doon na sa
Thank you. Ha? Doon na sa?
Arrow, say hi Arrow.
Araw.
The next song that we're performing tonight reminded me of the day when I met Tata in the street. She was begging. Tata was begging in the street. She was helpless. You know, she was so depressed. She was of how awful she looked on the street begging for money from passersby. So anyway, the next song that we'd be performing tonight is a song. This was on a Christmas Eve.
Christmas.
Yeah, this was on a Christmas Eve. We were having a party at my house, and there she was singing some. She was caroling with other street children, and that's the time. That's the time that I decided we were gonna adopt her because she was the cutest dog. She was the cutest dog, so we had to adopt her. So this one's
Dahil
the song.
nagtanaw kung siko ng problema.
Araw? Sorry.
Pagkalo dahil.
pag-ibig mo. Araw ng gusto.
Ay maalala mo kayo. Pero pag-isa yung sisig mo. Sabi ko lang na nalagarap at umaasa pa rin ako. Nung nakita ka, magkasama ka sa kanan
Mura kang si Ellen Kay. Mao ni permiti ang ginasuot. Bear Bears.
Betama na siya si Ellen DeGeneres.
Ano? Jesus in our heart.
Lasa mong haliday.
Doon ko pinalasan ng mali.
Yawa. Sorry. Bakang
Naglagot na jud ko kula. Ang singsing sa jud.
Lagi printer na siyang amiga.
Rinda.
Printer na siyang amiga, oy. Isot niya. Loh, nadi tulis mo. Tulis.
Kasi tulis.
Tulisan. Jadi tulisan ko lang yun. Yawa ko sinising.
Tulis.
Nang dumating ka, kahit ayaw mo na, bakit ba ikaw? Ay, magwapo yun eh. Bakit ba ikaw? Bakit ba ikaw? Yeah, that's another. The next song we will be performing tonight was this song.
Cover speech.
The next song we were performing tonight was this song that reminded me of the day when I met her.
One other eye.
I met her at SNR.
Ah!
Remember that? Yeah. She stole some goods in SNR and she got caught. Yeah, then later on, I'll tell more of the story.
Puso sa'yo'y magmahal. Naman ka ng puso.
Kiss daw mo, Day. Kiss daw mo. May nag-request.
Iwasan.
Ayaw ko na request.
Ibig mo sa
May lig-
bakit ba ikaw nasa isip ko?
Gusto na siya mukha tayo ng mga balik na po.
Sa ngalan ng pag-ibig.
Iba.
But anyway, this will be our final song tonight, guys. This will be our final song tonight. And this is the song. Celebrating the 10K followers on Facebook for Tatanem. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much for following her. She's one of the most beautiful women in today's generation. And of course, tomorrow she will be celebrating her 60th birthday. So she'll be turning 60. So we'll all celebrate tomorrow. But yeah, thank you. Say thank you to them in English.
No English because it's limited. Thank you so much sa 10K followers mga yan. Ang tawag pag managan ta. Mara naman kaya labahin lang din mga kuhan, mga pag-ibig. So, once again, thank you so much. MOR.
Bye, guys.
Bye!